In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an email template in New Outlook. Now to do this, you want to go to the Home tab up top, and you want to click on New over here, and then you want to go to Apps up top under Message, and you want to click on My Templates. Now as you can see here, it's going to tell you that you can use mail templates to save emails you send often, and of course you can go and do this from the settings page, so you can just go ahead and hit the Access Mail Templates over here and set these in there, but I'm just going to show you this way over here, which is kind of less known because that one is most common. So to do this here, you can just go and basically select a template. So I'm just going to click on plus template over here, and you can go and of course select it. So the title of this one is going to be sample template like this, and I'm just going to type in some random text. So for example, hello there, I will message you later. I'm working right now. Okay, like this, something like this, for example, is going to work. Now I'm not sure why this color is so dark over here, maybe a glitch on my end, but still you get the point. Now when you're done, click on the save button, and as you can see, your template is going to be saved. And if you were now to open an email like this one, for example, I can go to apps and then my templates, and I can just go and hit this template over here, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to put in that specific template into my body of my email over here. And of course you can customize this and make it however you want, but that's one way to make templates. And then the other one is going to be whenever you of course click on that, you can see it's going to pop up this window. You can go to Access Mail Templates, and you can of course set them up from in there as well. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.